season out of Saskatoon is out of it here. Oh, good shot right there from Corey Serkey. Russ forward. Hard hits right here from Serkey. He's going to get counted right here, as he is saying, you cannot hit like that and knock him out of the arena. Couple of cars still running out here. 13 is still at it. Dustin Genkart. 51-50. Daniel Seniuk. Trying to get things going again. He made a hit right there. 3 cars still going. 2 will go on to the final. 28 is still in the game. Swanson just will not hold up for 1 second there as he slams to try and hit the crippling blow to Daniel Seniuk. Did he do it? Can Seniuk move here? Maybe these 2 cars. He's still moving. Gets a little love tap right there. Nicely done right there from number 13.